Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you've ever thought about starting a chicken hatchery business here in South Africa, then this video is for you. From startup costs to how much you can earn, and where to buy hatchery equipment, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into the world of chicken farming and get you started on this exciting business journey. Starting a chicken hatchery is a profitable venture in South Africa. Poultry farming is a significant industry here, with high demand for both broilers and egg-laying hens. By running a hatchery, you will supply day-old chicks to other farmers, helping meet the demand for meat and eggs across the country. One of the first things you'll want to know is the cost to start a chicken hatchery business. While prices may vary, here's a basic breakdown of what you'll need to get going. Incubators. This is your main piece of equipment. The size and capacity of your incubator will depend on how large you want your hatchery to be. A small incubator that holds about 300 eggs can cost anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 rand. Larger, more industrial incubators for 1,000 to 2,000 eggs can cost between 50,000 to 100,000 rand. Brooders. Once the chicks hatch, they'll need to stay warm in brooders. Basic brooders can range from 3,000 to 10,000 rand depending on the size and capacity. Fertile eggs. To start, you'll need fertile eggs. Prices for fertile chicken eggs can vary depending on the breed, but expect to pay around 6 to 15 rand per egg. Other equipment. This includes thermometers, egg trays, cleaning supplies, and electricity costs. Expect to budget an additional 5,000 to 15,000 rand. Overall, you'll need between 50,000 to 150,000 rand to set up a small to medium scale hatchery. Now, where can you get the equipment? Here are some reliable places in South Africa. Incubators Africa. This company offers a wide range of incubators, brooders, and other poultry farming equipment. SureHatch, based in the Western Cape, SureHatch provides excellent hatchery solutions for small to large-scale operations. Their incubators range from small tabletop models to industrial-sized machines. Takealot. Yes, even on Takealot, you can find incubators and accessories that will help you get started. When purchasing equipment, make sure to consider shipping costs, especially if you're ordering from outside your province. Let's talk about how much you can potentially earn. Once your business is up and running, the earnings can be quite attractive. Here's a simple breakdown. Selling chicks. If you're producing 1,000 chicks per month and selling them at an average price of 10 to 15 rand per chick, you can make between 10,000 to 15,000 rand per month. For larger hatcheries producing 5,000 to 10,000 chicks, monthly earnings can range from 50,000 to 150,000 rand. Operating costs. Keep in mind that you'll have running expenses like electricity, feed for the breeders, and maintenance, which could be around 5,000 to 20,000 rand depending on your scale. After covering these expenses, your profits could range anywhere from 5,000 to 130,000 rand per month, depending on your production scale. Here are a few tips to help you succeed in the hatchery business. Start small. Begin with a small batch to learn the ropes before scaling up. Network. Connect with local farmers and potential buyers in your area. Attend agricultural fairs and network within the poultry farming community. Quality control. Make sure your chicks are healthy by keeping your equipment clean, maintaining the right temperature, and purchasing high-quality fertile eggs. Keep learning, stay updated with new trends and technology in poultry farming. This will help you stay competitive. There you have it, a complete guide to starting your very own chicken hatchery business in South Africa. We hope this video has helped you understand the process, the costs involved, and the potential profits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Good luck with your chicken hatchery business.